habit evidence. This is really interesting because I think that we glossed over this topic in evidence class, and I can't tell you how many times I see it come up in litigation. Let's just rehash the rule. A habit of a person to act in a certain way is relevant to show that the person acted in the same way on the occasion in question. This is really powerful, and we're going to work our way through some hypotheticals that show you why. So the definition is that evidence of the habit of a person or the routine practice of an organization, whether corroborated or not, and regardless of the presence of eyewitnesses, is relevant to prove conduct in conformity with the habit or the routine practice. I know that's a mouthful. We have here some overlapping rules. First, disposition evidence to infer conduct on a certain occasion is not admissible. Prior act evidence to infer conduct on the occasion in question is not admissible. Habit evidence is admissible. Again, habit of a person is admissible to infer that he acted in conformity with his conduct on a given occasion. So here's the difference between character and habit. Character is a generalized description of a person's disposition or conduct, whereas habit is circumstantial evidence of a person's regular response to a repeated, specific situation. Here's a hint. You want to look for words or adjectives such as always, automatically, invariably, regularly, instinctively, and without fail. These are tip-offs that they're testing on character evidence, or that you have a character evidence issue. I'm sorry, those are tips that they are testing on habit. Tip-offs that they're testing on character evidence frequently and often are not enough. So here's an example. Passenger is suing driver after a car accident. The driver's eyewitness testifies that the passenger wasn't wearing her seatbelt. The passenger calls the witness, calls W, let's call that W, Wanda, as a witness to testify that she drives to work every day with passenger and has done so for the last 3 years, and invariably, hint, hint, passenger wears her seatbelt. Is that evidence going to be admissible habit evidence? Yes. Such testimony that plaintiff invariably wears her seatbelt will be admissible habit evidence.